Hey you guys, it's Jake with EDC Leather. Last weekend, we got to go down to Welling, Oklahoma to visit with Lowell Harvey, owner of Lowell Harvey Saddlery. He had enough time to give us a quick tutorial on how he does a bleed knot. Hope you guys enjoy and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.
Okay, for anybody that doesn't know how to do a blood knot, we're going to put a blood knot on the guitar strap. This poncho actually happens to be 3/4 of an inch slot to a 1/2 inch. I use a punch. I cheat, I use a punch. So, depending on which way you do, I cut them at an angle. You can turn them. Sometimes you want the angle one way, one go the other direction. Whichever way you want. On saddles, I go left and right. Put the angle to the rear. Okay? So, blood knot is simple. When I do a blood knot, I want the bottom one to be a little bit longer than the top one. Okay. The big mistake most people make on the blood knot is they want to cut toward the product. Don't cut toward the product. Go about 5/8 of an inch. Hold your knife there. Pull your leather to it. Okay. Where's my needle nose plier? Just hang on. I'm right here. We're doing it. We're just trying to make a video. Okay. I use needle nose pliers just to open it up. All right. I go from the bottom to the top. You can go from top to the bottom. Either way works. Pull it, twist it, flatten it back out, and then it's the same way back to here, but don't cut toward. Just put your knife, push it down, and pull your up over it. Okay? Same way. All there is to it. Tighten it, flatten it out, and there's a blood knot. That's simple.